good day viewer. I want to do a little video on how to convert song from MP3, MP4, from any format that you have your song before. I want to do a video on how you can convert it from one format to another format. And from there, I got a software with which you can do other formats that will enable you have all your song in any version, in any format that you want to have it. Now, what is the name of this software? And the name of this software is called Wondershare Filmora. Now, when I open on this software, when I click on open, this is what I'm going to get. I'm going to get easy mode. I'm going to get full feature mode. Now, when I click on full feature mode, let's see what I'm going to get while I wait for it to open up. Now, when I click on full feature mode, it will take me here and it will show me something like this. Now, I have a song on my desktop I want to show you. Look at this song right now. It's in audio format, and the way it is written, the format it is M4A. And if you're a YouTube blogger, if you're a YouTube owner, you have an account with YouTube, you will not be able to upload this song because of the format with which it is. So you have to convert it first before you can be able to use it. Now I go back to the software I opened up before. Now this song that is already here, I have already converted it before, and I delete it up and I import another song again to show you another very good example. Now when I click on import song, you can see this song here is in a MPEG format. I can't have it up like this, and I cannot upload it as well. Now I click on the song and I import it up to this software so that I'll be able to convert it. Now the song is already there on this software, Wondershare. Now when I see this software like this, I will not be able to convert it the way it is right now because of the level it is right now. Then I click on this center button, add project. When I click on add project, then I have the song here waiting to be converted. Now when you click on music, when you click on text, when you click on transition, when you click on filter, overlay, element, and split screen, and all that, this is what you're going to get. You are going to get different watermarks. For example, let me click on this one now to show you a very good example. They will expect you, they will require you to download any format with which you want. You can be always add to your song as the case may be. As you can see it now, it's written all here. Now I go back to the media. When I get to the media and I want to test this song, if the song is ready to be converted, then I test the volume to see. You can see the song is already playing out there. Then I increase the volume so that when I finish converting the song, so that I can have the volume in an accurate format the way I want it to be. Now when I'm through with that, then I will have to click on export. When I click on export, I'm going to have different versions with which I want to convert it to. I will have the MP4, 3G, MPEG format, name them, they are all here. Now I am taking the very first one, WMV. Now when I click on that one, then I click on export again, and I click on continue. When I click on continue, I wait for it to show up, to tell me that it's telling me that it's converting now. But there are some other things that is going to show up that I would like to also let you know. Why I wait for that to come up? When you are through converting the song, when the song is through converting, you are going to see, check for file location, take you to file location. You see it here, this pause will be replaced with that one. Then this cancel, you will see it, it will be replaced with remove watermark. Now these are some of the things you are going to get as soon as you finish converting. There is something you must note. Don't expect that when you start converting a song that you are going to have it to be converted just in 2 minutes or in 3 minutes, but depends on the duration of the song. There are some songs that will be for 40 minutes, 45 minutes, 43 minutes as the case may be, or 20 minutes. So it depends on the duration of the song. That is going to depend on how many minutes it will also take to convert your song. Now you can see I am having the watermarks here. Now we cannot be able to wait for it to finish converting, but meanwhile you have already gotten the step with which to convert it. You can see now it has started converting. Now let me take you back to the desktop background again. I'm trying to convert it, and I cancel it to take you back again to show you where some of the songs I have converted. Now when I minimize, you are already at the desktop background. Now look at the song. This song was like this before, and I converted from this format to this format. You could see the way it was right now. Now when I'm through with that, you could see the software now, the way it works. It's very simple and it's easy to use for you to be able to convert all your songs from one format to different format. So if you enjoyed this if you enjoyed this this video I did for you right now, subscribe to IP Softech channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.